Have you ever found yourself needing to control how a URL is resolved in your Python code? Just like you can with curl's resolve flag? It can be a bit tricky, but don't worry. Today, we're going to explore how to achieve this using Python's requests library. I totally get it. You might be working in an environment where you need to specify a URL and control its resolution, and it can feel frustrating when you can't find a straightforward solution. You're definitely not alone in this. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how do I specify URL resolution in Python's request library in a similar fashion to curl's resolve flag? They mentioned they ideally want this to work in Python 2.7, but can also adapt to 3.x. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, what exactly is the issue here? The curl command's resolve flag allows you to specify how a hostname is resolved to an IP address. Unfortunately, the request library doesn't have a built-in equivalent, but there are ways to work around this limitation. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a neat trick that will make your Python requests even more powerful. To specify URL resolution in Python's requests library, the user can utilize the requests module along with the socket module. First, they need to import both modules at the beginning of their script. Next, the user should define the hostname and the IP address they want to resolve it to. This is similar to how the curl command works with the -resolve flag. Now the user can create a custom session using the requests library. This session will allow them to override the default socket behavior. After setting up the session, the user can make a request to the desired URL. They should ensure to specify the hostname in the request to match the one they defined earlier. Finally, the user can run their script to see the response from the server. This approach effectively mimics the curl resolve functionality within Python's requests library. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of curl was released in 1997? It has come a long way since then, and now it's a staple tool for developers everywhere. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution involves using a module called force-diff TPS adapter. This module allows you to specify a destination IP address for your requests, similar to curl's resolve flag. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. One alternative solution is to use the requests Kerberos package. This allows you to specify a routable name and set the hostname override value to match what Kerberos expects. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always test your custom resolver with different environments to ensure compatibility. This will save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to specify URL resolution in Python's requests library, similar to curl's resolve flag. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more Python tricks.